Chef, what have you done to this lobster?
Chad, I don't know if your taste buds are going to be able to handle this, but what we have here is a Florida spiny lobster stir fry with sweet peppers.
Oh. Well, Chef, I must say, this is a little nostalgic. Very first season, first episode, we were working with the beautiful Florida spiny lobster. Here we are, 5 seasons later, and we're full circle, back at it.
Wow, 5 seasons.
5 seasons.
I can't even believe it.
Anyway, all that aside, we're working with the Florida spiny lobster today, Chef.
Yes.
What are we doing?
I'm excited. Today we got a fun recipe, Florida lobster and sweet pepper stir fry.
Stir fry?
Yes. First, we need to get our lobster prepared. So we got our lobster tails here. These are about 6-ounce lobster tails. So now I'm gonna go ahead and separate the meat from the shell and cut it in the right size for our stir fry. I'm just gonna crack it down, open it up.
Oh, while you're doing that, let me just say that we are at the Versace Shrimp Company here on Tampa Shrimp Docks. Absolutely gorgeous out here. We got shrimp boats behind us. This is where the magic happens. These guys go out here 25 to 30 days at a time. They go out looking for shrimp, coming back, bringing them here, distributing them all over Florida and all over the United States. This is what a great setting.
It is perfect
for us to cook Florida seafood.
It is. All right, so I've got my lobster meat out of the shell. I'm just gonna cut it into kind of bite-sized pieces.
These were frozen, right? And it's okay to get frozen ones and you thaw them out?
Yeah, very, very rarely do you actually see live spiny lobsters at the seafood store. So you're most likely gonna get them frozen. And you wanna buy them when they're vacuum packed is really the best way to buy them.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a little bit of cornstarch here. It's been seasoned just with a little bit of salt. I have my pan nice and hot. This is over medium-high heat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some oil in my pan. And now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just kind of dredge these lightly in this cornstarch. I just don't want them coated too crazy much.
It's not a true coat, it's more of a spackle.
Spackle.
I don't know, maybe not. Move these guys around a little bit.
Yeah. Not too much though.
You wanna leave them?
Yeah, let them get crisp on the side.
See how I've spaced these out perfectly?
Yes, it looks good. Nice even distribution for nice even cooking.
Perfect.
I like it, I like it.
You just messed it all up.
I did right off the bat.
Oh, well.
Okay, now I'm gonna kind of move these to the outside of the pan where the cooking's a little less.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my sweet peppers. They're Florida sweet peppers that have just been julienned a little bit. I've got a little bit of fresh ginger going in. Some fresh garlic and a little bit of scallions going in as well. All right, I think we're ready to start kind of snapping this all together. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Now, when you snap, you go for height. I mean, are you like a Shaun White of pan stuff? Like, how high can you get this thing?
I mean, maybe about this high. I mean, the higher you go, the less is going to come back in the pan. So
the higher you go, the less control you have.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how high you can go there. That's about 1.5 feet.
Yeah, I don't really, see, I'm already losing a little bit. I don't want to lose any of this precious lobster.
You do another pan snap, but this time I want it to play out in slow motion so the viewers can see the technique of the snap. Stop it, Chef.
In your face. Yes. I've got like a, what I started out with was a little soy sauce, and I had some citrus, a little sesame oil, some more fresh ginger, and then basically I thickened it up with a cornstarch slurry. All right. And then I'm just gonna finish with just a little bit of cilantro.
Oh.
All right, it's time to plate up. I got my spoon. I've got a little brown rice here. You can use white rice if you like, but I prefer to eat brown rice, so that's what we're gonna use today. I'm just gonna put a little bit down.
And that's just to soak it all up, right? I mean, just gives you a nice little landing pad there.
Yep. Beautiful big chunks of lobster.
Oh gosh.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of fresh cilantro on top.
You love the final touch, don't you?
And sprinkle a little sesame seeds on top of there.
He lives for this moment right here, the final touch, the dusting.
And there you have it.
Oh!
Florida spiny lobster and sweet pepper stir fry.
Dude, you knocked it out of the park. Absolutely gorgeous presentation.
So for this recipe and many more,
go to howtodoflorida.com. Oh boy.
Bam.